Greeting micro folks, this is Professor Carberry. This is part 2 of the overview of our Bio 440 lab syllabus. So I think now we're on approximately page 5 of the syllabus. This is just a local biosupply company where you can get microscope slides. I think in most semesters, students have found ordering slides online is probably the best, most economical way to go. There is a separate movie on required supplies for lab and lecture, so you might want to review that. Do remember that Bio 440 labs are in a flip format, so you'll be doing lots of homework, lots of reading assignments, viewing PowerPoints, doing some homework questions before you come to lab, and that will be really important. We have 2 big lab practicals or lab exams. The lab exams are timed. There'll be approximately 8 stations with 4 to 5 questions per station, and you'll have approximately 4 minutes per station. After a full rotation, you'll have an additional amount of time to finish the exam. Importantly, we do not let students jump ahead to stations, back up to stations. We don't let folks revisit stations. You only have that initial 4 minutes per station, and that's all you get. It's very important that you come on time to the lab exams. If you come late, we won't give you extra time at all. The lab exams are closed book, closed notes, closed colleagues, and there's no calculators. Yes. Very importantly, if you have documentation for accommodations, please bring your lab instructors the paperwork as soon as possible, and we will be describing accommodations we'll make for the lab exam, lab practicals. And here's information on accommodations. With regard to assessment, we might update these lab points, but this is a rough overview. Lab participation, teamwork, safety, and equipment care, 20 points. Lab homework packets, which we will distribute each packet at one at the start of the semester and a second one midway through the semester, worth a total of 40 points. 2 quizzes, 5 points each, 2 metrics exams, 25 points each, 2 lab exams, 100 points each. And then our final experiment, chapter 22 in your lab manual, is the unknown, and that's worth 50 points. So for all lab sections connected to the Carberry lectures, it'll be a total of 370 points. So if we do have different instructors teaching the labs, all total lab points will be adjusted to 370 points for all the lab sections. It's really important that you don't throw away any of your graded assignments. Always check Canvas, the Canvas point spreadsheet, to make sure there haven't been any mistakes when we enter your scores. Don't throw anything away until the semester is over and your grade has been posted. If there's been any mistake, we need to see the original graded assignment to make any corrections. In a third video, there is a third movie. We go over the lab schedule. So again, our goal here is to try to keep these videos really short. So I'll close for now, and we'll be talking soon.